Hey guys, welcome in. So, excuse me, a couple things. First off, I have an update on my Content Creators Challenge, and this is hosted by Mark Batson, the HobbyDude007. And I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description. So this is the AMT Ford F100, the 1960 F100. I'd show the box, but it's upside down anyway. So this kit comes with the trailer, except the trailer doesn't have a box on it. So I built, this is like my first time doing scratch building. So far from perfect, and I do have some more work to do on it. But the stance of the truck is pretty much what I'm looking for. And I haven't decided exactly which tires, wheels and tires to run yet. Or color, actually, even. I do like the white walls, the thin white walls on it. But I also have these Z-Force Model Works. These are called the VF502s. They're 22-inch wheels and tires. They are staggered. And they look good on the truck. I have these on the axle, so I can't really take it off right at the moment. But they do look good on the truck. And they're about the same height as the stock wheels and tires, and so they do fit very well under the fenders, with really no modifications. So this is how the setup's going to look. I'm planning to run tonneau cover possibly. I thought about running the fender skirts on it. I don't know yet, not sure. I'm doing a little bit of custom body work on it, not a lot. I currently have the grill just sitting in there. And there are some customizing parts that come with the kit. I like the kit a lot. Haven't decided on the engine yet. The stock motor I do have built. But I also have a couple of 3D printed 5-liter motors that I might run in it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I like this truck so far. It's been pretty fun to put together, at least for a mock-up. First time mocking up a kit too. That's pretty new for me. But this guy is pretty well set up. Yeah, it's just a box basically. So sanding is almost done. Oops. The sanding is almost done on it. It's falling apart. So yeah, I like where it sits so far, and we'll see which wheels and tires I run on it when I get to that point. A lot of the details already molded into this guy, so I'm not too worried about that. So the other thing, I said a couple of things. The other thing is, I just wanted to say that today makes 3 years on YouTube. I can't believe that. And with this video, I have 325 videos on YouTube, and I currently have 946 subs. So I just want to thank everybody who subs and follows, likes, comments. Keep that up, positive, negative, whatever. I do have to say I haven't had very many negative comments on my channel. Got a couple constructive criticism type comments, but those are good. I don't mind those. I like that. But I like interacting. I respond to everybody's comments, so keep those coming. And like I said, this guy is far from perfect. It's my first time. I realize it's just a box. But I see there's still work to be done with it. And I will get it as perfect as I can. I'm not a bodywork guy, so anyway, I just wanted to thank everybody for hanging around, checking out my videos, following me along. I've been thinking of doing mock-ups, and Matt has a couple of videos out on how to do mock-ups, so I'll leave a link in the description to his channel also. I can't think of his channel name right off the top of my head, but yeah, anyway, I'll let you guys go. I'm starting to ramble. Take care, get some bench time, build something awesome, take care of your families, be kind, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks everybody.